Dumelang Lord, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Utando Nestembu, and we are discussing Usamke, even in her absence. Now, on the table, as Ubabundabe was asking questions, ivelile indaba yokuthi inkinga ikuphi, like ama-hint from ama-girls, from the wives, kahle kahle ithi ngibahloniphe, from the wives, right? So now, with that discussion on the table, they discussed indaba kaSamke, asking ukuthi uSamke ulotsholwe nini, and stating that it's contradictory of Umacele's statements because she said akazingeni izindaba of taking or being part of another wife if 20 years indlulile. And then it was said ukuthi girl was lobolat in 2023. To their shock, the wives, because according to us as a country and them, we know that she was lobolat. It's either 2025 or late 2024, not 2023, because it only played last year, right? What angisho uthi awukhumbuli, girl. You don't remember when she was lobolat. Now you partook in something that it defiles your values and your understanding and your system and girl came out with it at no ulotsholwe 2023. So in the diary sessions, Umacele discussed it with Umthombeni and said, these wives are acting as if I met her while she was a girlfriend. And I said, I will never meet with her if she was a girlfriend. And when you went to Lobola in 2023, and it looked like, or it sounded like Umthombeni so said, no, in 2023, that is when I met Nabakongi. So meaning, Umseleku somewhere somehow has been double dipping or lying between the wives. But at this point, the wife that we blame the most as a country and the other three wives is Umacele, because she looks like the one that is all-knowing and has all the information. So the process of lobola, because for them it's just not a one-day thingy, it's an event. So the whole event of paying lobola started in 2023, according to Umthombeni. So we were all late, we were all lied to, we were all deceived until now, like literally. Kuleyo tafule ke maka explainer uMakhumalo, Mayeni stood up and poured herself some drink, right? Water. And then she laughed the whole issue out. You could see that Umacele was frustrated. Ukro was not okay. And Umayeni was like, I don't even want to comment about this thing. And she laughed it off. But in all honesty, I feel there is more tension between Macele and Mayeni more than Mayeni and Makhumalo, like people would like to assume. So I think it's done and dusted, that part. But on the table, as part of the discussion, as part of the discussion, they also discussed or asked Uma Kumalo and the other ladies, Uguti, so that we can move forward nicely. What is it that you love about Umthombeni? And Umakhumalo referred back to an old statement that Umthombeni once made. Yoguti, I loved the old Tobile. The new Tobile, the Tobile that is now, I don't love her. And then Tobile said, I also don't love the new Mseleku. And Ubabundabe tried to say, no, but you can't say that and said, and you cannot love him, you have to love yourself, whatever. And Tobile said, I do not love the new me that Umthombeni has turned me to become. And thus, I cannot love him with the new me. I was like, yes, girl, clock it, clock it, clock it, clock it. When the question was posed to Umangwabe did explain that she used to love Umthombeni and. But she also alluded to the fact that Umthombeni takes care of his family. Umusamseleku makes sure ukuthi the kids are well fed The wives are well kept. His role as a husband, he's playing it fully when it comes to roles and responsibilities of taking care of the family. The challenge is when he is supposed to love them individually as wives, I think, and show them affection and keep to the promises that he made to them individually that we were not privy to. That's where the challenge becomes. But the overall statement, I Umncomile Shem, Umseleku also said, I wish you could have just stopped there at explaining that I'm a good man. When the same question was asked to Umayeni, Angisho obviously Umacele uyazifela, guys. When it was asked to Umayeni, they made a joke out of it, and she just also explained to Guti Umusi nje as a person, nan. But you could see Guti, they have some sort of a relationship, and their relationship is relationshiping, and they made like jokes on how they treat each other. Like, it was just so nice to see them interact as husband and wife. But ke Ugello, Ashley King was like busy commenting and saying, "Po hlaleleni, po this, po that," and I'm like, by now she knows ukuthi in her comment sections, she must just stop talking about the other wives because they don't talk about her. And thus, when they talk about her, she gets offended. But when she was asked, yena ukuthi ufila kanjani, girl explained ukuthi he is my earthly king. He is my yonke into. He is my beginning and my end. He is my sofa slahlane. He is my forever yena. He is nje. Prince Charming, Yonkinto, everything. Like, he praised that man from the moon and back. Kore her praises would make Umseleku see Jesus Christ by fire, by force. Umseleku at this point does not even need to be a believer because just him loving Umacele is making the things that makes the post to be done. And the girls obviously laughed at that statement, Oguti, he is my earthly king. But Ukro Watige, their laughter does not bother me. Them laughing, I'm not bothered because when they arrived and they married the married man, he was still my earthly king. And just because they are part and parcel of this equation, it does not mean that has changed. This man is still my earthly king. He is still my yonke into. He is still the man in whose heel I'm willing to die on. Yeah, kushumacela I mean. And I laughed also when she said the way he loves me over to an extent that he goes to his other wives and lies about me. I was like, okay, switched off my TV, went to bed and slept. And that is where I'm ending this video. This is your girl, Disebodi Ungtanda over. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.